Hi, my name is Rick Suarez. I'm the creator of the Nutty Real Estate Professor. I created a simple to follow study guide to help students achieve the broker state exam. It's an added tool, obviously, of everything you're going to need. But here you're going to have 334 concepts, 281 questions, all the math concepts. In total is about 162 pages. We also included all the pre-sales math and all the law chapters in the pre-sales. Here is a table of contents. As you can see, there's just a lot in here. I even included how to pass the state, tips and tricks of what to do, how to study, how to, what to do the night before, what to do the day of the test, how to take the test. Very great information. And this is how our study guide looks like. It's just one-liners, what you need to know with the concept. That's it, nothing else. I went through the entire course and I brought it down to just exactly enough information to help you pass. Here you also have the math on how it looks like. I have the math question with the answer. And I also included practice questions. I have two kinds. I have the one-liners, which is the one you see here. This is a one-liner with the answer. I kind of like this because it makes you memorize a lot quicker. And then I have the traditional question with four answers. Okay, so with the purchase of the study guide, I will include a free ebook that I wrote. And this ebook, it's about the very basics of the business. Whether yourself need to revamp how you work the business, or when you start hiring agents, it's a great tool to teach them in what they need to do. It has everything from distressed properties to expired properties, sphere of influence, investment properties for sale by owners, foreclosure explained, short sales, how to stay on track, right? Even portability tax. All right, so if you're interested in the study guides and the free ebook, the cost is only $53. There's a link in the description. Click on it and it'll take you directly to my website and the checkout page, and you'll be able to purchase it from there. Once you purchase it, you'll be able to download everything and you'll have it in your computer. Thank you very much and good luck with your studies.